Before scanning, we need to calibrate it, ensuring the data quality and scanning accuracy. Now we place the calibration board on a flat surface and click Calibration in DevInsight. We will see its digital twin appear in the software. Grab the KSCAN, face it toward the board. Press the Stop button to activate the laser and calibrate. We will start by aligning the XY axis, then slowly move the scanner while watching the distance indicator in DevInsight. When calibration completes, the result will appear on screen. If it's higher than 0.03, just recalibrate. This is the calibration for cameras, and now we need to do an extra calibration for lasers. We perform long-distance calibration. Next, we need to set up markers. Markers are used to locate the position of the object in space. We should keep different horizontal and vertical distance to prevent alignment mistakes. Now it's time to set two parameters in DevInsight: point density and exposure. Point density controls how detailed your scan is. Higher density means more detail, but slower speed and bigger files. Exposure refers to the laser line intensity. Higher exposure means brighter light, suitable for scanning dark or glossy surface. For this workpiece, we will set point density at 0.5 and exposure at 3. Once the parameters are set, choose Scan Marker. Now we are good to scan the markers with a click on the Start button. During scanning, please pay attention to the distance between the scanner and a part. The DevInsight has a distance bar on the left, aiming to stay in the green zone. Once done, click Finish to let the software automatically optimize the markers. Next, don't press the M button on the KSCAN to switch to Scan Data mode, and scan from multiple angles to get full coverage. We can double-click the Start button to switch laser types. The KSCAN offers 3 options: cross, parallel, and single line. 4 cross lasers cover the largest area with the most laser lines, ideal for scanning large objects at a distance. And the parallel laser is suitable for scanning details. Single line lasers are perfect for deep holes or hard-to-reach areas. During scanning, everything can be tracked on the touch screen: frame rate, marker count, exposure, and more. This is making wireless scanning even more flexible. After scanning, we can delete some unnecessary data. Then click Wrap to mesh our scans to smooth the data for downstream text like expansion or reverse engineering. Finally, export the files step by step. First, save the project file, which contains all the scan file data and can be added again. Then save the mesh file. Okay, that's it. We have just completed a seamless wireless 3D scan with the KSCAN.